We're reviewing from the provider, Lenovo. It's a TPMS tire pressure measuring system. Comes in a nice black case. As we open up to show you what's inside, in the box you have a USB-C 18-inch compliance cable, double-sided adhesive sticker, open-end wrench and nuts thin, an instruction guide to go over at your leisure, labeled 1 through 6 your TPMS valve covers, screw on to your valves, and the remote controller. Please remove the film off the screen of the solar panel. Around is the controller. Remove off the protective film. Can be screwed down hard. Can be permanent or temporarily mounted. Located on the side of the unit is your charging port. The unit turns on, showing you the PSI, the 6 tires, the time, and the battery charging. On the top of the unit, we have controls of on and off, previous, mode, forward. In the off state, no charging is shown. Over at the car, remove the valve cover. Place on the locking nut, number 1 through 6. Secure down and tighten the nut. With the distance from the car, we simply turn the unit on by a long press of the left button with 27 PSI. We can increase and decrease the brightness by this button. We have a temperature in Celsius and Fahrenheit. Hitting the forward button, we change to different codes like bar and PSI. We hooked up 2 of the sensors that acknowledge via the tire pressure that turns on automatically to the unit Bluetooth. This is the previous on and off button, the mode and confirmation button, and the forward button. Long press to turn the unit on. To go through the light levels, 3 light indicators, low, medium, and high. Low, medium, and high. Tire pressure 1 and 2, 32 PSI, 33 PSI with the battery indicator. We have a 24-hour timer. 3, 4, 5, and 6 of the tire pressure that is not hooked up. To set the unit up and change the pages, long press on the mode. We have 0 PSI, an upside down UR, a T, and a P. If we press on the previous, we have the Celsius on in Fahrenheit. Number 1, page 1. This is the car. This is the trailer. We're going to press it to keep it on Fahrenheit. We're on page number 2, 182 PSI and a pH. Confirm. You could increase and decrease your PSI. Long pressing doesn't do. Continue to press down to your desired level. Short press confirms. Page number 3. Set up your unit for low level. Alarm. 74, 2 and 39, 53, 1, 88. And you know, on page number 3 we have PL 51 PSI. Short press to confirm and change the levels. Short press locks in. Page number 4. Pairing. Short press to pair and change the level. Page number 5. Number 2. Confirm. Notice the blinking lights and the eye information. Page number 6. SL. Number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. As you can see, each of the tire is being censored. Page number 7. We change the clock's time. Page number 8. DEFE. Short press. Resets. Page number 9. And page number 0. All this information on how to set up your system can be found in the manual to learn your product. As unit is turned on, it locates the first sensor and then the second sensor. We're at 33 PSI. The second sensor at 33 PSI. We have the sensors hooked up to the bicycle for demonstration purposes only, as a demonstration of the front tire at 45 PSI and the rear tire at 33 PSI. The unit can be charged, ran off of the 5-volt adapter or battery. As we install the sensor, 45 PSI. As you hear a high-pitched beep of an alarm when the sensors are removed to 0 PSI, the warning system acknowledged. So if you're looking for self-adhesive screwed down to your dashboard, place overhead, anywhere in the car to the side, your TPMS monitoring system for your trailer needs and more. For hauling trailers, RVs, campers, boats, and more. On the back, a tire pressure monitoring system, remote Bluetooth with 6 valve sensors, 6 locking nuts, and the tool to remove and tighten, as well as USB-C charging cable to run via battery operated or through the 12-volt, 5-volt adapter system. Your tire pressure monitor system. I hope you enjoy your product if this is something that you are looking for in your automobile needs. Thank you for viewing.